Welcome back, Israel, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Tuesday, July the 20th, 2021. Hey, I want to give a big shout out to all 36 people who watched the video yesterday. You know that's the most number of people to watch any one of my COVID-19 videos so far. So thank you so much for those 36 views and the one like. Okay, but before we get started on a couple more favors as always to ask. Of course, click on that subscribe button, subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel. You can also click on the you can also of course click on that share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter. That's probably the most important thing, to share this video. Also, you can also click on the share button, copy and paste the link to this video into your email or text messages, and send them to your friends and family that way. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for the 36 views yesterday. All right, let's get on with the show. Now, what you can see here, currently Israel has 852,950 cases, roughly 6,450 deaths. You can see a slight decline in mortality rate, but this is a little bit too soon to call this. What the most interesting is you can see this increase. Okay, you can see for 7/19 you reported 1,220 deaths. Back over in here, you're down to low. You were down to what? You were down to well, maybe you never actually made it to zero as far as you can see here. You never actually made it to zero cases. You were in the low double digits here. And now, of course, the numbers are starting to rise again. 1,220 cases for 7/19. For the 7-day period ending 7/16, you are averaging 945 cases per day. What about deaths? Now, the deaths are more interesting. As you can see here, for 7/19, you reported one death. For the 7-day period in 7/16, you had a little less than 2 deaths per day. Now, I want to remind you of what the Washington University here in the U.S. says. They say that the single best indicator of the spread of a pandemic is this number right here, these daily deaths. So don't be led astray with case numbers. Okay, yes, they're important, but it knows the vaccine. If the vaccine is keeping people from dying from COVID-19 in Israel, in the end, that's all. That's all that really matters. Okay. So anyway, it's going down here. You can see now. It's 1, 2, 3. We had this 4-week increase in cases. Maybe this is the beginning of a downward trend here. Deaths. Look at these nice low numbers for deaths along this period right here. Okay. What about monthly cases? Well, look at these low month. Now, like I say, July is the lowest number of, or is the most cases since what, 5 months. But still, look where you were, over 200,000 cases for the month of January this year, all the way down to here. You know what? As sobering as it is to say, cases may never go away. Deaths may go to the very low number, single digits, but cases may never go away. Okay. But look at the deaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row now. You've had a decline in monthly deaths. So that is the news is still good, in my opinion. In both cases, yes, you are seeing some case increase, but you know who knows what's causing that. But more importantly, is that your cases aren't anywhere near where they were at their peaks back in January. And look, 5, 6 month decline in deaths. That's fantastic news for you folks in Israel. Okay. Before I let you go, again, a big shout out to the what was it the 36 people who viewed this video yesterday. Again, thank you so much for those views. But now I got a favor to ask all you folks. We're currently stuck at 196 subscribers. Let's see if we can get that 200 subscribers by the weekend. Okay. Also, don't forget to click that share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste a link to this video into an email and text message and share the good news with your friends and family that way. Again, thanks so much, Israel. We'll see you tomorrow with an updated report.